Hi, this is Washabi, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Seiko Prospex SLA019J1 Deep Forest by Seiko. Now, this particular watch is a limited edition and it commemorates the 50th anniversary of the 300-meter Marine Master that was issued in 1968. As I said, it's a limited edition timepiece, and this particular example is number 1732. The package comes with two types of strap. What you find on the casing is the bracelet, but it also comes with a rubber, or should I say silicone strap. But for my taste, I prefer to have the bracelet on. So that's the reason why I just kept the silicone strap inside the box. This watch is similar to the iconic XBDX001 300-meter Marine Master, apart from two things. First is the sapphire crystal that covers the dial, as well as the ceramic bezel insert in green. Um, but apart from that, these are the only two major differences between both models. Other than that, some differences like the color of the dial, the Prospex logo on top of the crown head. Well, these are very cosmetic, but it doesn't sort of give any kind of complexity to this particular watch. The wearability is about the same. No difference from the SPDX001 Marine Master. It's just that the green color just pops out and it sort of gives some sort of a wrist candy kind of feel to it. Um, so if you prefer this one, get this. Otherwise, the SBDX001, or there is another, I think it's SBDX23, which is the latest version, which you can actually get. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you do like it or you want more, please subscribe to the channel. Give a like to this input. Thank you so much.